Today I'll teach you guys how to fix your Instagram not working. So if your Instagram is not working, then first you need to check your Wi-Fi, because sometimes due to slow Wi-Fi as well it causes this problem. So for that, just open YouTube and play a random video. And if the random video is playing easily without any lag, then it's basically not your internet connection. So for me, it's not my internet connection, as the video is playing really easily over here. But if in your case it is lagging, then it's probably your internet. So change your internet or switch into a stable connection. Let's say you're not facing any internet issue, but it's still lagging or it's still not working. In that case, what you can do is delete your Instagram app and reinstall it again. Now what that will do is that'll basically reset the bug if there was any bug on your Instagram. And the moment you download Instagram, you will be downloading the latest version of Instagram, which means you will be updating your Instagram at the same time as well. So once you do that, your problem should be fixed. And let's say if your Instagram problem is still not fixed, it might be a problem with Instagram server, which means Instagram server might be facing an issue. And how do you know that? Well, in that case, you can just open up a browser, any browser, doesn't matter, and just search for is Instagram down detector. Once you search like this, is Instagram down detector, what you want to do is the first option where it says Instagram down, current status and problem down detector. Click on it and this website will show if Instagram is facing a problem or not. So it says user report indicates no current problem at Instagram, which means Instagram servers are not offline, it's working properly, which means it's a problem with your Instagram. But if it shows over here Instagram is facing a problem, the only thing you can do is wait until they have fixed it, and you can come to this website to check if it is finished or not, or if they have fixed their problem or not. And once you know that, you can open your Instagram and your problem should be fixed. It should work properly. So that's how we guys can fix your Instagram not working issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.